What's up, Pack? Welcome back to my channel, Coyote ZR2. My name is Tyler, and in today's video, we are going to be installing this Lasfit bid liner. They sent me this out for free. They do sponsor the channel by sending me out products for me to make videos for you guys, so that's pretty cool. If you see my other videos with them, I did the front blinker lights and the dome lights from Lasfit as well. Can't recommend those enough. The dome lights are a big game changer, especially in the winter time. But today's video, we're basically going to be doing a quick unboxing, showing you guys what it looks like in the back of the truck. And yeah, we're going to keep it sweet and simple and sweet and keep it nice and short for you guys. So let's jump right into it. So let's go ahead and unbox this sucker, see what it's all about. Give you a quick instruction guide, basically just saying take it out of the box, unfold it, kind of uncrease some of the creases in it, or just give it some time and it will naturally come out its own. That's what I'll plan to do. I'm going to scoop the bid, just throw it in there, and then just let Mother Nature heat it up and kind of stretch it out, unfold it as needed. But this is the bid liner right here. I'm going to take it out of the plastic bag, unfold it on the ground. You guys can see what it looks like out of the bag and put it unfolded. Then I'm going to sweep the bid out and I'll put it in there and I'll show you guys that process and I'll show you what it looks like and we'll talk a little bit about it. So this is the bid mat, kind of spread out on the ground. I did walk around it, kind of flatten it out just a little bit. But yeah, it looks pretty thick. It's pretty durable. It's got some non-slide resistant kind of material on top of it. I'll throw some in there and show you guys how well that works. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw it inside the truck bed. So my bed is covered in dirt and grime from riding dirt bikes not too long ago. And this is the main reason I want a bid mat, so I can just take the bid mat out, spray it down, be done with it, rather than trying to spray this out and then it's got residue and it's always a pain to try to wash it out and just get all the soap out and whatever else. So yeah. Yeah, that looks good enough for me for the time being. I'm not too worried about what the bed of this truck looks like. This part here is already kind of scraped up. This part here is kind of scraped up. It's a bid, it's a pickup truck. I use it for its intended purpose. I load my dirt bikes up there, and this bid mat will just, from Lasfit, will just make it a little bit easier just to keep this clean when I want it to be clean for whatever, whenever I clean the truck. 'Cause right now the truck is filthy. It definitely needs a deep clean, which I plan on doing that a couple weeks there. But yeah, let's throw this mat in here and see what it looks like. Lasfit mat going into the back of the truck. It fits pretty good. Those creases will come out over time. It's just kind of one of those things. I'm not really too worried about it. It is what it is. And I know once it starts being sunny more here in the Pacific Northwest, it will heat it up and it will fit better with the bib. Right now it's doing okay. But that's what it looks like right now. I'll get some close up for you guys to see what it, and then I'm gonna go grab some and kind of toss it on there and see how good this actually does with this sliding back here. So I'll be right back. This is my toolbox. It's pretty heavy. It's got a bunch of tools. It's usually everything I take with me when we go ride a dirt bike. Let's see. Got stuff in there. So let's see. Right there. It's pretty good. Definitely doesn't slide as much as it would just on the stock bid liner that's in here. But like I said, my main purpose of wanting this in here is mainly for the dirt bikes and the mud that it leaves in here. And also, I have a two-stroke, so it likes to leak oil out of the bottom. It's just what it does. It leaks two-stroke oil out of the tailpipe, or the tailpipe, and also out of the exhaust port on the bottom, one of the lines on the bottom of the bike. And with this in here, it's going to be just 10 times easier to clean up. So that's it for this video, guys. I kept it gritty, sweet, and simple and short for you guys. I mean, there's not much to say about it. It's a bed liner. Lasfit makes good products. I have their, like I said before in the beginning of the video, I have their LED chain light bulbs, and as well their turn signal light bulbs, as well as their interior dome lights. The interior dome lights are a must-have. They're great. Like, that just lights up the whole truck. I'll leave a link to those 2 other videos about those products. You guys can check those out, as well as a link for where you can find this bed mat from these guys. But yeah, I like it. For my intended purposes, like I said, it's mainly just for the dirt bikes, leaving oil and grime behind, and it'll be easier to clean the back out when I'm done riding. I can just slide this whole thing out, spray it down, throw it back in, be done with it, rather than having to crawl back here and spray it out and do all that stuff, you know. So it makes life just a little bit easier. We're at 1,000 subs. I'm beyond thrilled, excited. Don't know what to say. You guys, everyone who has subs, awesome. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a ton. Also, comment below if you found this video useful. You know, let's get the comments going. Let's start chatting. Tell me what kind of mods you've done to your truck. Like, I want to get to know the community that's been following me more. So yeah. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.